Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will discuss how to index and slice list objects in Python. So let's start this amazing video. So first of all, I will define what is list. So a list is a sequence of mutable data values enclosed within square brackets. So basically a list is an ordered collection of mutable data values enclosed within square brackets. So we use list to store multiple values in the same variable. Now what are the various characteristics? Characteristics of list. The first characteristic of the list is they are ordered collections. So lists are ordered. Second one is they are mutable. Third one is they are heterogeneous in nature. And the fourth one is we can store duplicate values. So can store duplicate elements also. So these are various characteristics of the list. Now I will create a list. So creating a list, in Python. So we can create a list in Python in very simple steps. Like we have to define a variable, say veggies. I want to create a veggies list, and I have to enclose the vegetables into square bracket separated by commas. Say potato, say tomato, carrot, spinach, so basically this is our list of vegetables. So this is how do we create a list in Python. So we have to write all the elements inside square brackets and we have to separate them using a comma. So we can print our veggies list, say veggies list, we can also confirm its data type, say type So just execute these two steps and you can say you can see that our veggies list is ready. Okay, it's not giving us type because I didn't specify the type function. It is only printing it. So the type is class list. So basically this is a built-in data type in Python to store multiple values or collections of different data types. So when Python will be storing a list, Python also creates an index along with the list, and it is like this basically. So this is my list. just copy and paste it. So the first element in the list is potato. So potato is stored here, then tomato, then carrot, then spinach, and this is basically our list. So these are elements of list, and this is the index. The first index is the positive index attached to the list. So positive index, and the movement in the positive index is from left to right. And in Python, the positive index always begins with 0. So potato is stored at index 0, then tomato is stored at index 1, carrot is stored at index 2, and the last one, which is spinach, it is stored at index number 3. So it is positive index. Python also creates a negative index, and the negative index starts from negative and the movement is from right to left, and the value is, say, -1. The first means the first element from the right is positioned at -1, then the second one is at -2, then the third one is -3, and the last one would be positioned at -4. Right. So this is the negative index. And the movement in the negative index is from right to left. So this is how Python stores a list object. Now using these indices or using an index, we can extract or we can access elements out of the list. So now I want to do the indexing. So performing indexing. Indexing is a process where we try to access or extract one element at a time from our list object. Indexing on list. So for example, I want to extract potato from the list. So how do we do it? So we have to specify our list, and the name of the list is veggies. Then we have to use square brackets, and inside square brackets we have to specify the index. So potato is placed at 0th index, so I will specify 0, and it will extract potato for us. If we have to extract, say, spinach, so extract spinach, which is the last element in the list. Spinach, we can write like this: veggies is our list, and inside square brackets we have to specify the index. So instead of using positive index, we can use negative index, because last element will be near to the right position. So -1. So now we are successfully extracted the last element, which is spinach. So this is how do we perform indexing. Same way we can perform slicing also. Now I will take an example of slicing. Slicing. So slicing is a process where we try to access or extract more than one element in a single go. So here the data type would be list itself, and in case of indexing, the data type will be depend on the type of the value. So performing slicing, for example, I want to extract first two items, first two elements, first two elements or items from the list. So how we can do this? Say just call our list veggies list, specify square brackets opening and closing both, and here we have to specify the range. So it starts from 0 and will go to 3. In Python, the stop value is always excluded. 3 is the stop value, 0 is the start value. So this code snippet will extract. Okay, I have to specify 2 because I want to extract only first two elements. So 0 to 2 means 0 and 1 means it will extract two elements which are positioned at 0 and 1. So this is how do we perform slicing on list. We can also extract the last two. So extract last two elements. So again we have to specify our list, and inside bracket we can write like, so I want to select this. So if I will use positive indexing, so the range is 2 to 3. So I will write like 2 is the start and 3. So instead of 3 I'll be using 4, so that 3 will also be included in the slicing. So this is how do we extract our last two elements from the list using positive indexing. Thank you.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.